What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then drag this circle downward, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the flickering issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness, and here you will see a auto brightness button. So if you have enabled auto brightness, then turn this button off to turn off auto brightness, and after turning off auto brightness, the flickering issue will be fixed. So if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for software update for your phone. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone, and here tap on the software version, and here it will automatically check for the available updates. So if you have any update, then update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software, the flickering issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.